Welcome to Draw Tickle. Join us for fun and simple drawing videos that spark creativity and joy. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Let's start drawing together as we draw Bob the Minion together. Let me share a story about embracing our uniqueness and finding joy in the little things. You see, Bob, with his adorable overalls and endearing personality, reminds us that being different is what makes us special. In a world where conformity can sometimes be the norm, Bob's quirky nature encourages us to celebrate our individuality. As we add the details to Bob's lovable face, let's reflect on the importance of self-acceptance. Just like Bob, we all have our own unique strengths and weaknesses. We might not always fit in with the crowd, but that's what makes us stand out. By embracing our quirks and flaws, we can find freedom in being ourselves. We can laugh at our mistakes, learn from them, and move forward with confidence. As we color in Bob's bright yellow skin, let's remember the power of positivity. Bob's infectious laughter and enthusiasm remind us that joy is contagious. When we spread happiness and kindness, we create a ripple effect that can touch the lives of those around us. So, as we finish our drawing of Bob, let's make a promise to ourselves to spread a little bit of joy every day. Whether it's through a smile, a kind word, or a silly joke, let's remember that we have the power to make a difference in the world, one small act of kindness at a time.